Hello, we are starting with outside. There are aft garage, some kind of storage for us. We have some beds for aft, one of them here. We have barbecue, it's working with gas. And we have engine from dinghy. Our dinghy will be here after tomorrow. We have 6 winches, 3 of them starboard side, 3 of them port side, and you can use with the buttons all winches with hydraulic. We have Livmar hydraulic unit, and you can use with this. Also we have for this side like this the winches. One of them is bigger, 2 of them is smaller. I'm sorry. Like this. And we have control unit here. You can make control all sailing, keel, anchor, everything. We have PTO and the Garmin system, and you can use Philippi for everything. You can make control everything from here. Batteries, tanks, sewages, bilge pumps, everything is here. And also there are the screens. So we are continue. We have 2 ventilation. One of them here, one of them another side. We have 2 winches from on the mast, that side, starboard side. Yes. Every winches you can use with hydraulic and manual also. So we have 2 anchor here. One of them spare, one of them main anchor. One of them it's working with hydraulic, one of them is working with electric. We have big sunbed zone. We have 2 gates every side for swimming, for entrance, exit, everything. You can see like this outside. We have big visual zone from the beginning. We have one desk here for prepare food, cutting fish. David is belong to dinghy. We are continue with inside. This is our deck house. Big resting zone. We have big visual windows. You can see everywhere nearly. Like this. Entrance door. Chart desk. And we have 1 fridge is here. Our Perkins control unit is here. VHF system is here. DSG is here. And you can use control for everything. Also here from Philippi. One of them is outside, one of them is here. Also 1 Garmin screen, an autopilot and gas wires here, and one of them outside. You can see about batteries, everything on the Victron panel. We have 12 service battery, and we have 12 navigation battery from Hopek brand, and we have 1 control panel, 24 volt and 12 volt and 240 volt AC also. And we have big kitchen. We have nearly everything: oven, dishes machine, another fridge is here, the ice maker will be here, television, and the drawers here, one of them here. We have 1 storage some atelier, and all things, materials, tools are there. Washing machine is there. Waeco cooler box is there. And nice. Another space for resting, for TV, for chilling. You can use it here. Also, we have one storage there. It's working with hydraulic. Yeah. It's turning. There are 6 bucks. Another place. We have one diesel stove. It's working with diesel fuel. And front cabin. One garderobe, another garderobe, and another garderobe. And also you can use there, 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 and there. We have much more space here. This door behind the toilet and shower for front cabin, like this. And also you can use this door for salon. We can continue with aft cabin. Skipper bed is here. Engine room is there. We have one single bed, one double bed. Garderobes are there. Also you can use this one and this one. This is the toilet and shower for aft cabin. Shower is here. Sauna is here.